Baby, 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 you driving me wild, you driving me so crazy. Got me acting out, got me tryna stay sober. Wanted your love and I'm out here hungover.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a slick back bun tutorial. Yesterday I did a middle part. Today I'm going to do a side part on my right side. And if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'll do more videos like this. I'll do more videos concerning any of this because I love natural hair. And I love just messing with my natural hair. So hopefully this helps y'all. But without further ado, let's get into it. Alright y'all, so this style is basically a pretty quick style. I won't be using too much. I have these products for the back of my hair just so my hair could be a little curly. If you watch my other videos, you know what these are. I love these products. I'm going to be using water to wet up my hair. The most important thing for this style will be the Demon brush because this is how I get my hair to wave up. If you don't have one of these, I would suggest you invest in the Demon brush. I really would. So I got my little comb, you know, everybody needs that. And I have a little bit of gel left, so hopefully this gets me through. I really pray it does. So let's get into it. So the first step, of course, is to saturate your hair with water. You need to do that all around. I had gel already in my hair, so this water made my hair loosen up. But definitely make sure you saturate your hair with water for the first step. Now you can see me parting my hair. I actually struggled with this, but after a while I finally got it accomplished. I'm wetting my hair again. I'm about to put my Demon brush on it and start brushing my hair. And once I brush my hair with just water, I'm going to put the gel over it and then brush again. I'm trying to get my hair as slick as possible. I'm also trying to get my hair a little wavy so it can have like a wave effect. I'm applying the same steps to the other side of my head. Now I'm going to take my scrunchie and put it in a ponytail for like a base. I'm going to do this several times, but this is going to be my first time as a base. Now I'm going to take my products and I'm going to put them through my ponytail and I'm going to brush them just so I can get my ponytail a little curly. It doesn't have to be that defined, but I just want it to be a little curly. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to apply some more gel over my hair and I'm going to start brushing again. Now I'm going to put a scrunchie on again, try to make my ponytail as secure as I possibly can. If you need to, you can always add bobby pins. And for a final step, you always have to work on your edges. I'm going to go through it one more time. I'm going to brush and I'm going to make sure my ponytail is as secure as possible, and I'm going to put a scrunchie on it once again. Of course, I had to check those edges one more time. I'm going to put my scarf on for just about 5 to 6 minutes, and I'm going to take it off. Alright y'all, this is the final look. I hope this video helped y'all. Like I said, if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Give me some suggestions. I'm down to do whatever y'all would like, especially hair. It turned out pretty good. Turned out pretty good. I'm very satisfied. But yeah, y'all, love y'all. I'll see y'all soon.
Girl, you know you cute.